back to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome to a happy nail art video. Today we're doing a fun kind of fake nail art sticker like look, which will make more sense in a few. But first off, I want to show you the polish that I'm using. That is Heroine NYC's Sugar Spun. And then I'm also going to use their matte top coat. So really you just need a light pink and a matte top coat and some acrylic paint. So first things first, I have already applied my pink and now I'm already moving on to the art. So what I am basically doing here is I'm using some white acrylic paint, a pretty large craft brush actually, so it's a tiny craft paint brush, but at the same time it's kind of on the smaller side. And I'm kind of just sketching out with white paint as to where I would like some palms to go, because there are going to be palms in this fun little design that we are doing today. And I kind of wanted the faux sticker-like look, you know, where your art has kind of like a white rim around it, just because I've been in a very sticker mindset lately. I don't know why, but at the same time, like, I don't love stickers on my nails, so I was like, you know what, I'm just going to fake it and we're gonna have some fun. So now that that has dried, thanks to camera magic, I'm gonna go in on top of the bigger spots and I'm gonna put in some green palm fronds, as you guys see me doing. I am using like a grass green acrylic paint for this, and I'm just doing little lines here and there, and I'm making the bottom ones longer and then the top one's a little bit more curved and shorter. And I'm just going to continue to do this about 2 to 3 times per nail, and a lot of them are going to go off the edge. So it would be like having the sticker going off the edge, and it's really easy to do. It does take a little bit of time. So if you're not into doing this on all of your nails, this would be a really fun accent nail. If you wanted to do that, it would work just fine. And as you can see, I've also have like these other little white spots on my nails, and we're going to use those for another shape in a bit. But I did decide to go ahead and kind of make the palms bit a two-toned green. So I've gone in with a mossy green and I am adding little lines of the mossy green. And as you guys can see, I got a little bit too much paint on there, so I just tapped it with my nail. And because we're working with acrylic paint, it is easy to do. You can touch it and it's not gonna like majorly affect it. So just tap it off, like tap it with your finger to get any excess off if you had any excess. And that was about it for that part. So then after that, I decided that these other little kind of diamond shapes would be turquoise. And I have gone in with some turquoisey blue. Actually, it was more like a blue acrylic paint. And I'm filling in these little like bursts. They're diamond shapes, but I always like draw them as like little stars in the night sky kind of shape. I'm not sure if that makes any sense, but hopefully it does. But I did about 2 of those on each nail, and then I decided there was still a bit of negative space, and based upon a doodle that I had done recently on my iPad, I decided I was going to go ahead and add in some hearts. So because of the amount of space that we have left, there weren't any like full-sized hearts, so I just put like the bottom half of the heart on the top of my nail. And then I realized that on these little diamond shapes, I kind of went overboard and went over the white lines, so therefore the sticker-like look effect went away. So I went ahead and went back in with some more white acrylic paint and a really fine nail art brush. This is the Short Detailer by Orly, and I went ahead and lined those again with white to kind of clean up the edges and make them look a bit more defined. So you don't have to do any of that part if you don't want it to look like stickers. You could just do this design without the white outline. For some reason though, I was just really enjoying the outline aspect and kind of the cutesy kind of decorated notebook or bullet journal page feel. So here it is on 3 of my fingers, as you guys can see. It's a really fun, easy, kind of cute pattern to do in my opinion. And then I topped it off with a matte top coat, and I was really happy with the matte finish because it made it look more realistic, like it was stickers in a notebook or something like that. And I really love that. It's very crafty feeling, and I've always enjoyed stickers and notebooks. So this was really fun to do. And like I said, if you're not into doing it on all of your nails, it would look super cute on just one nail, and then with a glitter and complementary color. There's a lot of options you can do here, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video. I had other things planned to go with it, but because of everything that's going on in the world, we're gonna hold off on some of those things. But I still wanted to share the nails because I really enjoyed them, and I think we could all use a little bit of happy right now. So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you back here soon for another new video. Bye!